Everything was absolutely incredible. I love seeing the diversity of directions from students. Some chose a focus on portraiture with elements of my work as their background, and others chose a more abstract narrative for their work.
I think my favorite activity was the watercolor paintings. It gave us like a lot of time to just think and do whatever we wanted. It gave us a lot of freedom, and I really like how mine turned out and how everyone else's did too.
Working with the students here at Creative Vizcaya was a great opportunity for me to expose them to use their creative thinking skills and discover what inspires them, not only individually but also as artists.
We had so much fun.
It's so pretty here and we took so many amazing photos as photography students. It's like a joy to be here.
We also got to work individually but as a group, and so I think ideas were bouncing from everyone, and it's been
such a wonderful bonding experience.
My favorite activity that we did was when we got plants from like different parts of the gardens and we put them on top of like a cloth, and we were able to use the sunlight to reveal the design that came out of the plants. I thought that was really cool, and it's something that I can incorporate into my own artwork in the future and use like the design of plants in order to reveal a cool design.
I've been really pleased to see how the students are taking this opportunity to get to know Vizcaya better and also making a piece of work that they can take home with them.
Thank you, Vizcaya, for letting us have this opportunity. We had a lot of fun.